Hello everyone, this is a VIZIO TV M65-E0. When I pick it up from the customer, show me what the TV was doing. He told me that the TV it's stopped working that day. When I was testing it over there, the TV turns on, show the display. He told me this is wasn't doing that yesterday as well, won't show no display. After couple minutes, half of the screen go black, half of the screen go orange, and the TV turns off after that. So he said he did see that half orange screen before, but the TV works after that for a while, then it stopped working. So I'm going to take the back cover and we test the TV together and we see what's going on. The TV doesn't show me the standby, and I push the power button, there is no responding. So at the moment, yeah, the TV has no power. When I plug the power supply here, the first click, no standby, nothing here. So I'm going to start disconnecting part by part and see what's going on. Let's disconnect the T-cone. We still have no light, nothing here. It's completely dead. Yeah, there is the first click, but nothing else. So I'm gonna disconnect the driver board, the LED driver board. Connect the TV, nothing. Some more tests on it. So when I plug the TV to the power, we still have no standby. Yeah, no standby. If I press the power button, TV is not responding to the power at all. So what the voltage we have in the power board? So we have just a 18 volt ground and on off. So we have 18 volt. The on off is the pin number 9. It has 2.8. So a signal is coming from the main board to the power board. The main board processor is getting warm. There is a power, but there is no standby. And the big capacitors, we have 300 volt. So the power supply, it's fully on. volt. Yeah, all the capacitors, the big capacitors, the voltage in the power supply is step up from the 160 to 300. So it's already doubled. So we check the voltage in the T-cone, it's 0. There is no 12 volt. Let's disconnect this one and see if with the 12 volt will back. No, no 12 volt. So there is 2 volt in the power button. So there is the voltage in the power button. The IR usually is a 3.3 volt. Five volt, 3.8. So there is a voltage in the IR. Yeah, there is a 5 volt coming to the IR. The main board, we can check in the coils. This coil is a 12 volt. And this coil, it's for the, I think it's for the display. So this is the LVDS. So this coil here, 5 volt. Power supply here, it's 1.1 volt. That's a processor voltage. 3.3 volt for the NAND. These coils here for the speakers. Each coil for 1 speaker. So you don't need to check the voltage in this coil, that they are close to the speaker plug. This small coil here, 3.3. This coil 1.5, that's the RAM power. Another small coil here, 2.5, I think you did see. 2.5. And the TV still getting no standby. Like one time the customer said it did this before, like no power, the set completely dead. And when I went over there to pick up the TV, we plugged the TV and we had the standby. And he said, wow, this is like the first time we have this. Then we turn on the TV turns on, stay on for less than 3-5 minutes. Then we have half screen orange, half screen black. After that, the TV goes off, the standby light goes off as well, and the set doesn't want to power on. And he said he did see this problem before. This could be one of the things. Could be the NAND, the eMMC. The software in it is getting bad, and it's going to need to be flashed or reprogrammed. I don't have the socket for this NAND. I don't have the programmer. Plus, even if you have the socket, you have the programmer, where to get the software? To get the software, we're going to need a good board to take the software from it and load it here, or look online. And usually there's the US brands, like it's kind of hard to find the flash. It's not like the China brand TVs, you can find the flash from other countries. The US brands, like the repair shops, they don't share the flash to, because these processes take time, and it's not like here in US is not worth it. In this case, I'm going to replace the main board, and we'll see if that's going to fix the problem. Yeah, these boards, they go like 50-60 bucks. So for in an hour or 2 hours looking for the NAND software, then another hour flashing it, and you don't know if the result is not sure. That's why it's kind of, most of the time when it's came to the EEPROM, I just say go and buy another board. But programming the EEPROM is the same as the small EEPROM, the each pin. You need the right programmer. It's not like very complicated process. So this is a replacement board. Just got it this morning. Let me just quick check it and be sure this works. What happened here?
Huh?
Nothing. The solar beside he opened the connector and take this. He just got it. Alright, hopefully this board it works. Okay, let's plug the TV. Alright, we have some good results. We have the standby light over there. It's go on, then goes off. That's normal. Then if we press the power button, it should back on. Oh, the button is not plugged. I think, yeah. So why is not powering on? Just this one needs to be connected. Alright, let's try again. Okay, you can see the light. I did see the backlight. I did see the backlight. It's a good result. So let me connect this one. So yeah, if you check all the voltage in the main board are good, power board voltage are good, it should be like just a software issue. So we have to be sure we have a good picture. Because there is many version of this main board, and sometime the TV turns on, but the picture looks the resolution. TV plugged in. We have the standby. It's normal the standby is go off, but if we push the power button, yeah, the light is on. Yeah, the TV works. We have the picture, but the picture is look like is big. The resolution is not like 4K. Let's see. So let's turn it off. TV responding good to the remote. And this is what it said. The zoom mode is on. Use your number pad to navigate around the screen. But how to take the zoom? Yeah, like you can use to move the picture. Menu. Yeah, there is some like the backlight lenses, they fall off. The customer knows about it, and I told him like, if you want to replace them, replace the backlight. But I said at the moment just want to fix the TV. So let's see if there is, where is the zoom? Film mode game. Input system. Maybe here, yeah, zoom mode, it's off. All right, now it looks good. Okay, let's plug something to it, or we can go to the internet. All right, so we need to deliver this TV. Yeah, you can see that line. There is a
What's the package for the guy?
yeah, colors looks good, picture works. We just want to hear the sound, and TV is gonna be ready for the customer.
Plan. The healthy grocery benefit could pay up.
TV works, sound work, Wi-Fi work, everything works. So likely it was the software issue, or there is a small chance could be the processor, it's getting bad. Like replacing the main board is give a sure result and saving a little bit time. So this is all for the video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.